Hello student, this is your second experiment. In this experiment we are going to study hibiscus and tuberose flower. But in spite of taking these two flowers, I have taken something else for you all so that it will be easier for you to understand the floral parts of flower. All these you are supposed to name, but after this experiment, whatever I am going to show you now, I am sure that you can easily label them by yourself. Just look after this plant carefully. This is hanging flower. This hanging flower name is Datura, and it is well known as angel's trumpet. Look at the leaf. Yeah. A beautiful flower. The length of this flower is near about 33 centimeter. That is more than 1 foot. Such a big flower. Look at the design. It is having equal uniform design. Look at the petals. They are tube shaped. This flower is a tube shaped flower. Let us count the petals which are joined to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are in the number of 5. It means it is pentamerous. It is pentamerous. This green color part, it is called as sepal. This sepal helps the bud to convert into flower. This part is called as pedicel. Pedicel is the stalk. That is base of the flower. Flower चा जो base आहे त्याला आपण pedicel म्हणतो. Okay? And this particular part is called as sepal. So I am going to tear this flower for you all. Just look carefully. These are not leaves, though it is green in color, but they are not leaves. This is the entire flower. Look at it. Now I am going to tear the petals. Look at these petals. They are 5 in number. Again I will count it for you all. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am tearing it. If we will tear it inside, you will get a separate part, androecium and gynoecium. These are anther lobes. Just look carefully. Anther lobes. They are having, just look carefully, anther lobe. As this flower is pentamerous, you can see there are 5 anther lobes, 5 anthers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 anther lobes are present here. In pentamerous, they are all parts are in number of 5, and this one is distinct part. This is stigma, this is style. Let us see what is down. You have to be very careful while tearing the decent and delicate part of the flower. Be careful, because while tearing you might disturb the androecium or gynoecium. Or can you see this green color part?
Yes.
It is nothing else but it is ovary. This green color part is ovary. If you will tear this ovary again inside and remove it for you all. बोल ना. हे बघ. Can you see it? This green color part. This is ovule. And if you tear it from inside, we will see what is in our next video. Look at this part. This ovary, style, and the upper part is stigma. Stigma is the part where pollen grain deposit, and as soon as it settle here, it forms a tube. This is stigma part. Watch carefully. These are stamens. Count carefully. They are 5 in number. This is ovary. Very important part of the plant. Here pollen grain is deposited. You can see carefully. And in second picture you can see pollen tube is formed, which is going down in the ovary. And inside ovary, as the pollen tube is going down, you can see there are sperm cells which are going through the tube in downward direction, and which is again going down in the ovary. As soon as the sperm cell enters the ovary, inside the ovum, let us see what will happen. Yeah, now look here, they are entering ovule. And as soon as the sperm cell enter ovule, there are egg cell. These egg cell get fertile, and then finally fertilization take place. These are the parts of flower. This is petal. These are stigma, style, anther wings, filaments, pistil, pollen tube, ovary, ovule. All these are parts of flower, which now you all can easily label. Just now we observed Datura flower, which has 5 parts, but some flower may have 3 or 4 parts. The flower which has 5 parts is called an ideal flower, which I have just shown to you. Very nice angel trumpet flower. It is a genus Datura. Now what is the function of flower? फुलांचं एक्झॅक्टली काय काम असतं? The main function of the flower is to produce fruit and seed for reproduction of plant. जर नवीन झाड तयार करायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला सीड्स लागतात. त्या सीड्स कुठं तयार होतात? फ्रूटमध्ये. आणि फ्रूट कुठं तयार होतं? ओव्हरीमधून. बरोबर आहे? म्हणून ओव्हरीमध्ये जे काही फर्टिलायझेशन होतं आहे, दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. Corolla, that means petals. Calyx, that means sepals. Leaf and branch. Here in second image you can see petals, stigma, anther, stamen, filament, style, ovary, sepal, thalamus and pedicel. Pedicel. What is the function of pedicel? To hold other parts of the flower and to attach sessile flower with stem. Sepals or calyx. What is the function of sepal or calyx? To protect other internal parts in the bird from adverse external environment. Petal or corolla. Beautiful color, petals. What is its function? To attract insect and to protect internal parts of the flower. Androecium. It is male reproductive organ of the flower. Main function of androecium is to produce pollen grains. Gymnosium. It is female reproductive organ of the flower. The function of gymnosium is to produce fruit and seeds. Here are some answers of your second experiment. You all just have to search and write it down. Put today's date. Pause the video and try to search the answer and write in your journal. Now, as you all are at home, you can collect various flowers and just dissect the flower and try to observe different parts and try to name them yourself. घरी बसले बसले हे करून पहा. And also shoot photos if possible of your dissection part.